Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Lady Cox and the Cox glove from Segura. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about two gloves that are the same but are a bit different. We've got the men's Cox glove from Segura and we've got the ladies' Cox swarovki glove from Segura. Major differences: the ladies' one's got the swarovki crystals running around the bottom base of the glove there. They are real crystals, they're high end, they're high caliber, they're what's used all over the fashion world. It's a quality product. Apart from that, and a couple of little men's details I'll point out later, they're exactly the same glove. So the men's one's available in this beige colour, and the ladies' one's available in the pure back with the crystals. So let's get into the glove itself. It's a full leather glove, nice detailing on the side, saying full throttle down there, just a nice bit of detailing. Wrist restraint running around the wrist, stop the glove coming off in the event of an impact. This is a shorter glove, so you can get some airflow up your sleeve as well. As I say, full grain leather, it's beautiful leather on this product. Running up a little bit of padding on the fingers, it is a C approved glove, so you are going to get the protection you need. Running around onto the palm, again, full piece of leather all the way down the palm, one big piece of leather for the ultimate in protection down that area. Even though it's a fashionable glove, it looks good, you still need the protection area. Bit of elastic around the wrist again to keep it supported on the wrist area in the event of a crash. If I spin it around this way, you've got brake written on this finger as well and full throttle written down here. It's a lovely product, beautifully made and beautifully fitting. Ladies' glove is exactly the same. It doesn't have the writing on because it's got the crystals on to give it that nice bit of detailing. As you can see, it's a beautiful glove, beautifully fitted for women. So if you need any more information on the Cox glove or the Lady Cox swarovski glove, go to bikerheadz.co.uk, download the catalogue or pick up a copy from your local dealer. And if you could like and subscribe below, that'd be fantastic.